Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to give you a brand new untapped traffic source, a free traffic source that you can start using today, and you can get leads and subscribers and potential sales. When I came across this traffic source, I was skeptical. I didn't want to join. I wasn't interested, but then I just decided to create my free account and give it a try, and I was surprised after seeing the results, and you're gonna love this traffic source. Okay, so if you've been struggling to generate traffic to your systems, products, affiliate offers, this is one of the top traffic sources out there, which is free, and you can start to use it to build a list of subscribers and also get potential sales by doing direct linking to any products and systems and affiliate offers. Now, if you're watching my video for the first time, then make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. If you have questions, just leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, it would be appreciated. And if you love this video, hit the share button, click the share button and share this video with the people you care, because this one video can help someone generate traffic and solve their traffic problems. So let's get into this video. You should know that traffic is very, very important. If you don't know how to generate traffic, if you're thinking that I want to generate traffic but I just don't know how to, there are two ways to generate traffic. One is free traffic, one is paid traffic. We are talking about free traffic in this video, and normally when it comes to free traffic, it takes a lot of time. You have to wait, you can't get instant results. That is true. Okay, but sometimes certain free traffic sources can get you some instant potential sales and results, and I just found one of the best free traffic sources out there that I just gave a test drive, and I love the results so far. Okay, so I thought it is a very, very big opportunity for my customers and viewers to get on board onto this free traffic source before anyone else gets onto this free traffic source. All right, so let's get into this free traffic source, and let me show you step by step. Let me show you my results. Let me show you the results that I got with this free traffic source, and then you can also jump onto this free traffic source, create your free account, and start to utilize this free traffic source, because this free traffic source works. That's all I know. I heard this from the top internet marketers. I heard this recommendation from one of the top internet gurus, and first my instinct was, okay, he's just trying to promote something. That's all it came in my head. But then I said, let me just give it a try, and I gave it a try, and I'm thankful that I gave it a try, because after giving it a try and seeing the results, I'm completely surprised. Okay, so what traffic source are we talking about here? We are talking about this traffic source here. All right, this is a free traffic source. Now, if you want to join this free traffic source, link popping up on the screen right now. Go to this website address, pause this video, open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you will able to come to this page just down here. Okay, what you want to do, you want to scroll straight to the bottom, okay, so you don't get confused, and then down here you could see here it says, yes, create my free account. You're going to click on this and you're going to create your free account. Okay, now remember, when you're creating your free account, you're going to get recommendations to upgrade your account. That's optional. You can if you want to. If you don't want to, you want to skip it, fine, you can do that too. You can upgrade later on. Okay, so it's a free to join. Just go to this website address, okay, that you're seeing on the screen, open up a new browser, go to this website address, you're able to create your free account. Okay, and then once you have created your free account, then you can just start utilizing this free traffic source. All right, now I'm going to have all the links in my description box below this video as well, so you can check it out. Okay, you're going to find some extra training links in my description box below this video as well. All right, so let me show you that I used this traffic source, and when I used this traffic source, I loved it. Okay, so let me just go back to my link here, okay, and let me show you the mailing history. Okay, so I sent an email because I'm still a free member. I haven't upgraded yet, okay, but I'm thinking to upgrade because after seeing the results, I have decided to upgrade my account. So what I done is I sent an email. As a free member, you can send an email out to 500 subscribers, business opportunity subscribers who are interested in learning how to make money online. Okay, so I said, okay, I'm going to send this email out and see what the results are so far. Okay, so if you become a paid member, you can do so much cool stuff. You can add all these features here. So you can see these are some advertisements from people, from the paid members. Okay, a lot of people click on these advertising, so you could have an affiliate offer, a system, or product down here. When they click on it, they go direct to your links. Okay, so check this out. I sent an email out to 500 people. 86 people opened my email. Okay, 35 clicks. Imagine I become a paid member and I send an email out to the entire database. This will be unbelievable. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this before. Okay, all the top autoresponders out there, you will never ever able to get an open rate like this and a click-through rate like this. Unless you have a very good track record, you have a good IP server, and you're sending out good emails without mentioning the money and the spammy words. Okay, otherwise I'm quite surprised with this, and I'm thinking that if I become a paid member and the email goes out to the entire database, I can expect so much from this. Okay, so if you want to join this free traffic source, link popping up on the screen, just go to this website address or check out the links in my description box. Create a free account and start using it, my friend. Start using this free traffic source and start learning about it. If you're a beginner, you've never seen this about traffic source before, just get familiar with all the links on the sidebars. Okay, so get familiar with it, start clicking on it. Alright, so you get familiar, so it becomes easy for you to navigate through different sections, and then you can start utilizing this free traffic source. Now remember, joining is free. Like you can see here, I'm a free member. It's not paid or it's nothing like that. I'm a free member. Okay, and you can start to use this free traffic source. And I'm quite surprised. I saw some top internet gurus using this free traffic source. That's what convinced me. Okay, if you see a top internet millionaire and an internet guru using a traffic source, definitely there's something good about that traffic source. Okay, why would an internet millionaire and an internet guru use a traffic source if it's got so much money and he can use Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, he could do PPC, he could do all the top traffic, paid traffic networks, he could use that to drive traffic. Why is he going to use a certain traffic source which is which is untapped? There has to be a valid reason behind it, and this is it. Okay, when I saw this top internet guru using this traffic, so I'm like thinking, why is he using this traffic so when he's got so much money? Okay, so I decided to give it a try, and there you go. You can see the results down here with 500 emails going out. 86 people opened my email. 35 clicks, man. I'm quite surprised, man, after seeing the results. I didn't expect anything like this because I've used traffic source like this a couple of years ago, free traffic sources quite some time ago. Okay, and I didn't see any kind of results like this, and I just moved on. Alright, but I'm quite surprised with this one. So if you want to join this, it's a free traffic source. If you want to upgrade, you can. It's optional. With the upgraded member, you could get so much cool features. Okay, you can send emails out more frequently. You can put ads here where people click on the ads and people are actually clicking on your ads, going directly to your link, and you are going to get the credit if they purchase the product or if you're building a list. Right, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.